Walmart almost suspended my account for having a price that was too high. Let me show you in today's video. And here it is. It is a weird team at Walmart. So we got this at, looks like midday, November. Action required. Unpublished items, optimize your WFS inventory. And I looked at this right away and I was like, this is a little weird. It looks like it's kind of from a bot. But then I just saw like it was signed by TB, right? Tampa Bay Buccaneers themselves. And that's when I knew that it might be real. This might be somebody that's looking at our account, and that's not good, right? So if you ever get any type of email from Walmart, it's always best to respond, right? So what I did right away is I did respond, and what it had is had our partner ID written over and over and over and over again. GTIN, product names, I guess pricing errors. And then what happened is it looks like we were $2 above the price Walmart wanted us to sell it at, right? So we were $2 above, which was fine a couple days ago, but now it's not fine. And our account got flagged. Before they suspended our account, they decided to send us a little sweet email so that way we could go in and fix it, which Walmart usually doesn't do. They even tell you how to fix it, or you can submit a ticket. Now we tried to fix the listing, but none of the prices worked. We even dropped it down to $1 just to see, and it still didn't work, still a pricing error. So now it's like almost frozen internally, which happens on Walmart from time to time. So all you can do is reach back out and say, hey, by the way, I did this, and now I'm converting it to this case ID. Here's this case ID. We're working on it. After 24 hours, they did respond, and they were so surprised that I responded. So this person, I don't know, TB, was like, wow, you replied so quickly. Thank you so much. I'm going to close this out. So I was like, maybe. So that just shows you that most of the sellers on Walmart are just not monitoring their email, and you should. That's going to be like the biggest takeaway. Make sure you're responding to your emails. If you're sketched out, you can kind of like triple check everything. But if they're not asking you to log into the account, just don't click on links that you don't know, right? And a lot of this goes down to the new pricing policy. Walmart just keeps passing policy after policy after policy after policy. So what is the policy? Well, this policy right here, it says specifically, if your price is too high, they're going to suspend you or terminate your account. And it's just a little crazy, especially if your price is right and they terminate your account, there's no appeal process. So that's a little bit fun, but you just need to understand the pricing policy. The pricer rule will automatically unpublish offers from Walmart Marketplace that are priced very high. That's pretty much the policy. That's pretty much what it says. If they think your price too high, they can terminate your account. If the robot thinks, or if Walmart thinks, right? So if you're selling Beats headphones and they're like, headphones aren't supposed to be that expensive, they could terminate your account, even though they're Beats and they're more expensive, or the Apple ones are super expensive, whatever it is. That's just how the game is, especially if somebody else is selling the product on Amazon and it's counterfeit and it's a lot cheaper than yours. They're definitely going to be mad at you, and they're definitely going to either email you, suspend you, or terminate you. And that's just a part of the game. I do think long-term Walmart will get better. Right now it's not. They're kind of just in panic mode, just randomly trying to have bots do a lot of the work for them, and it's not working. But just be ready and look at your emails. That's pretty much it for today's video. Very exciting stuff. As of right now, nothing happened to the account. Nothing got suspended. It looks like since I replied so quick, same day, they closed out the case, and I was able to resolve it manually through seller support, but it did take some time. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like, and if you are a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to his channel because you're going to see crazy stuff like this happening from time to time. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer full account management. We'll help you manage and monitor your Amazon and Walmart account to make sure you're not ever going to get suspended Anything that's unpublished, we're jumping on as quickly as humanly possible to get it reinstated so you don't get these emails. And if you do get these emails, we're the ones that are kind of your backup to make sure everything's A-OK. Of course, we're doing SEO, Walmart ads, increasing your sales, listing quality score, getting you the pro seller badge, all the above. Feel free to reach out. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.